Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change date of birth on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening them, you can just simply open your profile, and here you can see this type of interface. Now you can tap on Edit Profile. After tap on edit profile, you can just simply scroll down and here you will find the option edit your about info at very last. Tap on it and now you can just simply scroll down and in the basic info section you will find your birthday. You can now tap on edit and here you can just simply see the first option, that is date of birth. Tap on edit in account center and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply tap on the date and here you can just simply change the date and now you can tap on done. And this is the way you can change date of birth on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.